Now question number 37 is 9 to the power n into 3 square into 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n by 3 to the power 3n into 2 cube equals to 1 by 27. Now you have to simplify this to prove m equals to 1 plus n. So 9 can be splitted. So it's 3 square and power n is already there into 3 square into 3 to the power n as it is minus 27 means it's 3 cube. So and power n is there equals to 1 by 27 was there, which can be written as 3's cube. Now power will be multiplied according to the laws of exponent. So 3 to the power 2n, it's 3 square into 3 to the power n minus 3 to the power 3n, power multiplied here, equals to this written as it is, and this is also as it is. Now this is 3 to the power 2n and this is 3 to the power n. So since the base is same, so the power will be added. So 2n plus n becomes 3n. So we can write here 3 to the power 3n into 3 square minus 3 to the power 3n, and here 3 to the power 3m and 2 cube means 8. Now this is also 3 to the power 3n, this is also 3 to the power 3n. So we can take it common. So if it is taken common, so 3 to the power 3n, if you take common, so here it's 3 square will be left minus, and since the entire thing is taken common, so into 1 is here, and by 3 to the power 3m into 8. This side 1 by 3 cube was there, that can be written as 3 to the power minus 3. Now this is 3 to the power 3n and 3 square minus 8. 3 square means it's 9 minus 1, that is 8, and this is 3 to the power 3m into 8 equals to 3 to the power minus 3. Now this 8 and 8 will be cancelled. So this, if this is cancelled, so here 3 to the power 3n by 3 to the power 3m equals to 3 to the power minus 3, which can also be written as 3 to the power 3n minus 3m. As the base is same, so the power will be subtracted. So 3 to the power 3n minus 3m equals to 3 to the power minus 3. Since here the base is same, so now the power can be made same. So here 3n minus 3m equals to minus 3. Now you take 3 common. So 3 into, this is n minus 3 has come outside, so m equals to minus 3. Now this 3 and 3 will be cancelled from both the sides, or n minus m you can write equals to minus 3 by plus 3. So 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So here n minus m will be equals to minus 1. So now m will be equals to 1 plus n. Now question number 38 is given 3 to the power 4x equals to 81 to the power minus 1. So 3 to the power 4x equals to 81 means if you do the prime factorization, you'll be getting it as 3 to the power 4 minus 1. So this implies 3 to the power 4x equals to 3 to the power minus 4. So 4x equals to minus 4 and x equals to minus 1. Now again given 10 to the power 1 by y is equals to 0.001. So 10 to the power y 1 by y equals to 1 by 4 decimal places are here. So 10 to the power 4. Since this one has come from here, this is 1 by, and since 4 decimal places are here, so 10 to the power. Now the base is same, so we can make the power same. So 1 by y will be equals to minus 4. So to get the value of y, just do the reciprocal. So y is equals to minus 1 by 4. Now you have to find the value of 2 to the power minus x into 6 to the power y. X's value we had already calculated minus 1. So 2 to the power minus, and x's value is also minus 1. And this is 16. Y's value is minus 1 by 4. So now 2 to the power minus plus 1. and 16 can be splitted. So it can be written as 2 to the power 4 into minus 1 by 4. Now the power will be multiplied. So 4 into minus 1 by 4 if you write. So this 4 and this 4 will be cancelled. So here it will become 2 to the power minus 1. Now this is 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power minus 1, same base. So powers will be added. So 2 to the power 1 and this is minus 1, and so 2 to the power 0, that equals to 1. Number 39 is 3 to the power x plus 1 is equals to 9 to the power x minus 2. It's given. So 3 to the power x plus 1 is as it is, and 9 means 3 square. So to the power x minus 2. So now 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to 3 to the power 2x minus 2 2s are 4. Now the base is same, so we can make the power also same. So it's x plus 1 equals to 2x minus 4. Now simple equation we have to solve. So this implies x minus 2x equals to minus 4, and this will come to minus 1. So minus x equals to minus 5. Now the sign will be cancelled, so x equals to 5. So therefore 2 to the power 1 plus x. So that means 2 to the power 1 plus x's value is 5. So 2 to the power 6 equals to 64. Now question number 40 is first. It's 3 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 5 equals to 0. So this implies 3 to the power 2x plus 1 written as it is, minus 2 to the power x plus 2 can be written as 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 2 plus 5 equals to 0. Now we have to suppose 2 to the power x equals to k. So 3 to the into 2 to the power x means it's k plus 1 minus again 2 to the power x, so it's k into 4 plus 5 equals to 0. This implies 3k plus 3 ones are 3 minus 4 into k means 4k plus 5 equals to 0. This implies 3k minus 4k means it's minus k plus 3 plus 5 it's plus 8 equals to 0. So now minus k equals to minus 8. So k equals to 8. But we had to find the value of x. Now k we had supposed it as 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power x equals to 2's cube. Now the base is same. So the power will also same. So x will be equals to 3. Question number 42nd is 3 to the power x equals to 9 into 3 to the power y is given. 3 to the power x equals to 9 means 3 square into 3 to the power y. This implies 3 to the power x equals to 3 to the power, this powers will be added since the base is same. So 3 to the power 2 plus y. This implies x equals to 2 plus y. Because the base is same, so the power will also be same. So x equals to 2 plus y. Make it equation 1. Now the another part is 8 into 2 to the power y equals to 4 to the power x. So 8 means 2 cube into 2 to the power y equals to 4 means 2 square to the power x. So this implies 2 to the power 3 plus y. Since base is same and this is multiplied, so powers will be added. So 2 to the power 3 plus y equals to 2 to the power 2x. The powers will be multiplied. Now the base is same, so we can write it as 3 plus y equals to 2x. So now y equals to 2x minus 3. Now we have to get the value of x and y. So for that, what we will do, this implies y equals to the value of x we got in equation 1. That is x equals to 2 plus y. So in place of x, we will put 2 plus y. So y equals to 2 into 2 plus y minus 3. So this implies y equals to 2 2s are 4 plus 2y minus 3. So now simplify y minus 2y is equals to 4 minus 3. This 2y has come to this another side. So side change, sign change. So now y minus 2y means it's minus y is equals to 1. So y will be equals to minus 1. Now from equation 1 we can find out the value of x. So x equals to 2 plus y. So x equals to 2 plus y's value is minus 1. So 2 minus 1 equals to 1 is the answer.